Hi, everybody. I'm just going to show you how to set up a GitHub account with SSH authentication. I'm going to be doing this on a Mac, so it's going to be for macOS. And you're just going to need a terminal, and you'll need your GitHub account. I have my terminal set up here in VS Code, but you could always just command space on your MacBook and type in terminal, and you can get terminal that way as well. So we're going to the 10 steps are here. The first step is actually creating your SSH key. I'm going to be using this. So you're going to want to specify your particular email address here. Then you're going to want to specify a folder path. You could use the default, then you just leave this blank and press enter. I am going to give it a specific name here. Okay. You could specify a passphrase, so every time you clone or push to your remote repository, you'd have to enter a passphrase. If you don't, you just press enter. Okay. All right, so now that we have that set up, I want to run this next command, which will run the ssh-agent in the background. Then we want to open our ssh config file. If it doesn't exist, in this case it did exist, but if it doesn't, you would just have to create it using ssh config like that. Now that I have that open, I am going to copy this into here. There's already one in there. So now I just have to make sure that this identity file matches with what I made there. So we'll call it GitHub _tgmt _RSA. All right. Okay. And then we're going to add the private key to the SSH agent. Again, changing this name to what you made it before. Okay. Then we're going to copy this key. Oopsies. And again, we're supposed to put the name as what we made it up there, GMT. All right, now that we have it copied, we're going to go to our GitHub, and we would navigate to settings. And then you go to SSH and GPG, you'd go to new SSH key. And then you just call it whatever you want to do, test. And then you would just paste in the public key there. And there you go. There you have it. You could actually go to any repos that you might have, and you'd be able to clone it that way.